Hi, this is Crystal, and on this Lowdown While on Lockdown, I'll be talking about GVA Lighting and some of their unique technologies and products. GVA is based out of Toronto and has a reputation for quality products that last a long time even in harsh environments. One of GVA's patented technologies that sets them apart is their Infinity technology. This system allows them to build lighting circuits up to 1,000 feet from a single power and data input. This is important because it means it is way easier to make long runs of light without penetrating the facade of a building and can greatly reduce costs by reducing the number of power supplies and simplifying installation. It is perfect for highlighting skyscrapers, illuminating long bridges and walking paths, and long coves in airports, malls, and schools. Color Amp is a patented technology that greatly increases the performance of RGB and RGBW fixtures. Traditionally, each color would be allocated a portion of the overall load of the fixture and would never be able to exceed that output, even if it was the only color turned on. For example, if you have a 100-watt RGBW fixture and you set it to 100% red, it would only be about 25 watts output of red. With Color Amp, GVA can shift the balance of output to the color you are using so that instead of only getting 25 watts of whatever color in that scenario, you can utilize all of the available wattage to punch up that color. This makes the fixture brighter and can reduce the number of fixtures overall and the total power of each fixture needed, saving significant costs for the same effects of a traditional RGBW or RGB fixture. Moving into specific fixtures, the STR9 Series is a collection of durable and virtually maintenance-free linear luminaires. They're manufactured by milling out a single piece of aluminum using GVA's unibody design, meaning no gaps, no end caps, or other normal points of failure. It can be surface and recess mounted as an N grade. It's available in monochromatic, RGB, RGBW, and RGBA with standard white of 3000K. The STR9 takes advantage of both the Infinity and Color Amp technologies, making it an ideal choice for any white or color linear accent lighting. The FL series of fixtures are highly adjustable floodlights available in 4 sizes, with the FL25 the smallest at just under 9 inches from the bottom of the mounting plate to the top of the fixture. You can get beam angles ranging from 4 degrees to 75 degrees as well as elliptical distribution options. The photo on the slideshow shows the capabilities of the FL200 with a 4-degree beam angle, perfectly highlighting the vertical elements of this brick facade on the Toronto Carpet Factory building. The highlighter HLDL is the perfect fixture for direct view applications on a building and other architectural structures. It's available in monochrome and RGBW. It is addressable to 1 foot, allowing for a variety of dynamic shows, and utilizes the Infinity technology shown on the first slide. The impact-resistant PMMA diffusers are attached over a completely sealed fixture body, allowing for multiple styles, easy replacement, and room for customization. The black niched cover lens is a new offering and perfect for blending into natural stone or dark painted surfaces. The last fixture I'll talk about is the Lyra. The Lyra is a compact, fully sealed accent light that complements the range of other GVA products. It's offered in 12 different beam spreads and has less than a 3-inch diameter. The Lyra is available in monochromatic, RGBW, and dynamic white. It is perfectly suited for any application with its flexible mounting options. And that's it for now. Check out GVA Lighting through our website or directly at gvalighting.com. Thanks.